something new? Oh, oh, oh. Let me see your hand like this, y'all. Let me feel that energy real quick. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Love was so strong, at least in the beginning. Who would have thought there'd ever be an ending? We had it all, but now it's like we run into a wall. We try to talk, but just end up fighting. Try making up, but there's just no denying. Just ain't the same no more. What are we putting ourselves through all this for? You talk and hear me, but you can't communicate, 'cause you're not listening. These are two different things. Now I see what it means to have been blinded by the one you love so deeply. 'Cause the very things that made me love you are the things pushing me away now. In tears we stand here with nothing left to say. Stand here, there's nothing left to say. You opened my heart and were so giving, spirit so free. You drew me in and I feel so deep. I could not save my life without you in it. Girl, you gave me a lot of attention. Somehow that feeling turned into crazy possessive. It was always there, but I didn't look deeper. If I would have seen our limits, yeah. You talk and hear me, but you can't communicate, 'cause you're not listening. Yeah, two different things. Now I see what it means to have been blinded by the one you love so deeply. I had my pride, girl, and you had your pain so deep inside you. Irritated, frustrated, and hurt. Baby, this is so confusing. Girl, I thought this was the real thing. The very things that make me love you, all the things pushing me away now. Stand here with nothing left to say, and all I could do for you, I should have done before now. Baby, there's nothing, 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 nothing. Nothing, 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 nothing. I say, yeah, yeah, there's nothing left to say, say, say. Nothing left to say.